Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example 1001 plus 10 minus 100. So, how to solve and we will get the right answer. Okay, so in this situation, we simplify is our choice. Okay, from left to right or right to left. Why? Because in this situation, in this question, only two arithmetic operation uses subtraction and addition. Subtraction and addition. So it's our choice which one solve. Subtraction and addition. So our choice first which one solve. If we also included division, so first we find the division. Okay, so here 1000 plus 10 is 1011. Okay, here we write the 1011 minus 100. Okay, 1011 minus 100, and we will get the answer. When we will get the answer 1011 minus 100, and we will get the answer 911. Okay, 911 is right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.